Ski goggles are a critical piece of alpine kit, combining eye protection, optics quality, and comfort in varying light and weather conditions. A good pair should deliver clear visibility, effective anti-fog performance, a secure fit with helmet compatibility, and long-lasting durability, all at a value that matches the budget. To evaluate these 5 models,
Product number 1. Findway Ski Goggles OTG Over Glasses Snowboard Goggles for Men. The Findway OTG goggles are positioned as an accessible entry point for riders who wear prescription glasses or want the convenience of an over-glasses fit. They deliver 100% UV protection and a straightforward design geared toward budget-conscious buyers. The build uses a lightweight frame with a simple dual lens setup, and the OTG compatibility is clearly stated as a core feature, making them suitable for a wide audience, including youth and adults. At this price point, the emphasis is on basic reliability, adequate optics, and a comfortable all-day fit. In practice, the Findway goggles offer adequate anti-fog performance for casual or intermediate skiers, with a practical field of view and a soft, forgiving seal that accommodates various face shapes. The lens coatings provide UV 400 protection, and the frame material is designed to be durable while keeping weight down. The OTG design is a standout selling point for those who wear glasses, though the simplicity of the lens construction means there is limited enhancement in contrast or color fidelity compared with higher-end lenses. For day-to-day use, they deliver reliable performance with a favorable value-to-feature ratio.
Product number 2. Outdoor Master OTG Ski Goggles Over Glasses Ski Snowboard Goggles for Men. Outdoor Master's OTG model is a strong all-around option in the budget segment, emphasizing versatility and practicality. The dual-layer lens with anti-fog coating, 100% UV 400 protection, and a TPU frame combine to deliver a sturdy, everyday goggle suitable for a wide range of conditions. The packaging includes a carrying pouch, which adds value for travel and storage. And the elastic strap design prioritizes helmet compatibility and a secure fit across different head sizes. In usage, these goggles perform well for routine ski sessions, offering clear optics and reliable fog resistance in moderate to mild humidity. The dual universal helmet compatibility and long strap ensure a snug fit with most helmets. They excel in value, delivering practical performance without overcomplication. In harsher light or low visibility days, the anthropometric fit is adequate but not optimized for extreme glare reduction. The lens quality is solid for the price, though enthusiasts seeking high contrast, chromatic performance will want to consider higher tier lenses.
Product number 3. Findway Ski Goggles OTG Over Glasses Snowboard Goggles for Men. This entry mirrors the first Findway option and reinforces the brand's strategy of offering an extremely affordable OTG solution with essential UV protection and straightforward build quality. The repeated listing emphasizes the low barrier entry point for customers who need immediate eyewear protection during snow days without a premium investment. Performance-wise, expectations should align with the budget category: reliable day-to-day visibility, basic anti-fog behavior, and a comfortable fit for hours on the slopes. Because the emphasis is on affordability, there are trade-offs in lens technology and refinements that higher-priced models provide. For riders who rarely haul through variable weather or require OTG compatibility, these goggles can fulfill the basic need without unnecessary costs.
Product number 4. Findway Ski Goggles OTG Over Glasses Snowboard Goggles for Men. Brand: Findway. Manufacturer: Findway. The additional Findway listing reinforces the same OTG value proposition, presenting a familiar option with the same core features and price bracket. This repetition highlights the breadth of the catalog while offering customers multiple purchases that may suit different colorways or minor design variations. From a practical perspective, this variant remains a low-cost, reliable OTG choice. It is suitable for casual riders and families seeking a budget-friendly solution with universal fit. For those who value a larger color and style selection, this product line can fulfill practical needs without premium costs, though it won't deliver advanced performance enhancements found in higher-end goggle systems.
Product number 5. Smith Squad Goggles with Chroma Pop Lens. Snow goggles with replaceable lens for skiing. The Smith Squad Goggles with Chroma Pop lenses represent the premium end of this comparison, pairing a modular lens system with high-contrast Chroma Pop optics designed to enhance color and depth perception on the mountain. The replaceable lens capability adds versatility for varying conditions, and the Squad line is known for a robust frame and modern venting strategy that helps manage fog and airflow. At $129, this model targets performance-driven users who demand optically superior lenses and long-term value. In practice, the Chroma Pop lens delivers enhanced clarity in bright sun and bluebird days, while the replaceable lens option allows you to tailor your setup for flat light or adverse weather without purchasing a separate goggle. The fit is secure with a responsive strap system, and the lens exchange is reasonably straightforward for users familiar with modular lenses. The main caveat is price, as well as potential weight and bulk compared with simpler OTG designs. For serious skiers and riders who value optics precision, the Squad goggles offer a compelling upgrade path.